In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use developer mode in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to any web page you want to examine. This can be useful if you're trying to understand how a page is structured, locate a specific element, or work with browser extensions in a more advanced way. The first thing you'll do is right-click anywhere on the screen. From the menu that appears, click Inspect. This opens Chrome's Developer Tools, which is where you can view and explore the code behind the web page. Don't worry if it looks a little technical at first. You do not need to understand everything on the screen right away. For this tutorial, we're just focusing on the basic tools you need to get comfortable using developer mode. Once the panel opens, click the Elements tab. This section shows the HTML structure of the page, which is basically the building blocks used to create what you see on screen. As you move your mouse over different parts of the code in the Elements panel, you'll notice that the matching section on the web page highlights automatically. This is very helpful because it lets you connect the code with the visual part of the page. It's one of the easiest ways to understand how different page elements are organized. If you want to inspect a specific button, image, text area, or any other item on the page, there's an even faster method. Just right-click directly on that item and choose Inspect. Chrome will immediately take you to the exact code for that element inside the Developer Tools panel. This saves time and makes it much easier to find the section you're looking for, especially on busy or complex websites. Next, go to the search bar in Chrome and enter Chrome Extensions. This will take you to the Chrome Extensions page, where you can manage installed extensions and access extra development options. When you arrive there, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a toggle for developer mode. Turn it on, and once it's enabled, you'll notice new options appear on the page. These extra options are a part of Chrome's developer mode and are useful when you need more control over extensions. That's the basic process for using developer mode in Chrome. Take your time exploring the Elements panel and the extension settings, and as you practice, the tools will start to feel much more familiar and easier to use.